welcome back to Maxine's Corner. If you want to learn how to make this delicious vegan pulled pork recipe, then keep watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a pulled pork recipe, and I'm going to be using this green jackfruit. I have garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. I have paprika, and this is smoked paprika, and this is 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic and scallion allspice, 1/4 teaspoon. I have some adobo. I have some black pepper, it's all 1/4 teaspoon, and I have some Mrs. Dash, and of course I have half of an onion all cut up. So let's show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, you don't need this. This is just pretty much water, so I'm going to drain the whole thing using one of these. So I drained the jackfruit, and this is what it looks like. You see right here the texture, kind of look like already a pulled pork, and just cut the back off. You can hold it like that and cut it off. You guys should try ripe jackfruit. It's absolutely delicious. It's nice and sweet. Like I said, I grew up eating this, so for me, I am used to eating it. This is a big thing in the Caribbean where I'm from, Jamaica. Grew up eating it a lot. So this is what it looks like here. I'm also going to be using some barbecue sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to add some of my barbecue sauce. Garlic. Onion. Garlic powder. My smoked paprika, my garlic and scallion spice mixed together, my adobo, my black pepper, and my Mrs. Dash. Everything in there. And guys, don't forget, just season to your taste, however you like it. So I'm just going to let that cook just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of sriracha. Just a little bit, because I like a little bit of spicy. And as you may see, the water, I'm going to add a little bit more water. Just a little bit more. Alright. And now I'm going to add my jackfruit. As you may see, it looks just like pulled pork. If you love jackfruit, go ahead and give this video a what? Big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? You watch all the videos, you love healthy cooking, and you love weight loss tips, so why are you not subscribed? I don't know, you tell me. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you could be subscribed. Now I'm just gonna let this cook down. I'm gonna add the rest of my barbecue sauce to this. But it's completely up to you how much barbecue sauce you want to use. But we want it to get that nice smoky flavor. And then leave it for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple to cook. You just have to make sure you get the right spices. See the way it looks? Look at that. Looks just like pulled pork. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to check out these videos that I have linked. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You're watching all the videos. You love weight loss tips. You love healthy food. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have a question for me, you know what to do. Leave it down below and check out our weight loss support group. That's free as well. And I have Ask a Nutritionist every Friday on the Maxine's Corner weight loss support group. Alright, so that's it. What? Stay healthy.